recurrent droughts, devastating floods. These are the challenges that test the spirit of Somalia. But in the face of disaster, a new force for resilience is rising. The Somali Disaster Management Agency, SoDMA, established to protect our people, to safeguard our future. Our mission is clear: to move from reaction to prevention, from vulnerability to strength. Our response is swift and targeted. Since 2022, when Mahmoud Moallim Abdulle was appointed the chairman, we have delivered life-saving humanitarian assistance to over 4.7 million people across all federal member states. But we're not just responding, we are anticipating. Through early warning systems and strategic partnerships, we launched a $30 million Niña Preparedness Plan, a proactive framework to protect 50,000 households before disaster strikes. We're building a nation of fast responders. Through training, education, and forging powerful partnerships from local communities to international allies, we are strengthening Somalia from the ground up. Our vision is a Somalia where communities are not defined by the disasters they face, but their resilience to overcome them. A nation prepared, a people protected. This is our commitment. This is our duty. Join us in building a resilient Somalia.